Hello everyone, I am Shanice and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, if this is not your first time, welcome back. Hope everyone is having a great week and ready for another lock video. So today's video is going to be a lock style video. I'm going to show you guys how I put perm rods in my locks to get a curly lock look. Me and my husband, our 5-year anniversary is coming up and we're taking a little trip. And you know, with the holidays, it's hard to get in with stylists sometimes, especially if you wait till the last minute. So this is a style that you can do at home. It's simple, cost effective. If this is something that you're interested in, go ahead and stay tuned. In the meantime, like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming out. And let's get into this lock style. So first, of course, we want to make sure that we moisturize our hair with some type of water or moisturizing spray. So I'm just going to spray the water throughout. I'm actually going to start in the back of my head. So I'll probably have to spray again, but that's okay. Make sure you have some hair ties to tie up the hair that you're not working with so it doesn't get in the way. So for this style, you guys are going to see me using two different perm rods. I'm going to be using the orange perm rods, which are a little bit thicker in the back of my head. And once I run out of the orange, I'm going to switch over to these pink perm rods for tighter curls in the front. I want the looser curls in the back so it's a little elongated, and then the tighter curls up front. So as you can see, I'm working on hair that is not retwisted, which is fine. And you're going to see that once I put the lock on the perm rod, I'm going to roll over the end of it and then continue rolling up. So like I said, I'm going to do this all over my head. I know some people, they'll do 2 locks at a time, but I want a little bit more definition. So I'm only going to do 1 lock at a time. And this is definitely going to be a task for me sleeping tonight, but it's going to be all right. So this is the finished product of me putting the perm rods in. As you can tell, it is a lot. I did say that it was going to be two colors, which was the orange and the pink, but I was able to find some even smaller perm rods that I had. So I did use the gray ones in the front for the tighter curls. So it's looser curls in the back and then it gets tighter in the front. So this is a 360. Hopefully I got all the locks. I don't feel anything hanging out. So hopefully that's a good sign. And like I said, sleeping, you know, hopefully I get some rest tonight. But I will show you guys the finished product in the morning once I take all of the perm rods out, and hopefully this is a success. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look and I am super excited about how it turned out. I definitely think this is going to be my new go-to hairstyle just because it looks so nice. I got a little bang in the front. We got the curls popping in the back, and of course curls fall. So I don't know how long this is gonna last me. I will update you guys, I guess, on the next video and let you know how long it lasted. I definitely like the method of using the bigger perm rods in the back and going up smaller at the front. It's like I said, you get a tighter coil, and that is definitely the look that I'm going for. Yeah, so, oh, I'll also let you guys know how it holds up in rain, because it is supposed to be raining this weekend where we're going, and hopefully my curls don't, you know what I'm saying, fall too much. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted, but this is the finished hairstyle and I am in love with it. Let me know what you guys think of the hairstyle. If you try it, you know, tag me in some pictures on Instagram. I would love to see how yours turned out. If you thought this tutorial was helpful, like this video, comment below, let me know. As always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next week for another lock video.